Welcome back. It's not what you think falling from the sky during this weekend's Blizzard game. It's going to be raining money. I don't know how to do this. I'm not a rapper.
Oh, man. I almost landed in a weird place there. All right. It's for a good cause, too. We've got Ryan here from the Green Bay Blizzard, along with Principal Tony Ebeling, back for his third year to talk a little bit about this. Bay Harbor Elementary School in Suamico. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning.
Thanks, okay, Ryan, let's start. Okay, we're going to make Tony run for the money.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that'll happen in a little bit, but he's well practiced now.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about this weekend's game and
Yeah.
where the money's going to go.
Yeah, so it's our Dash for Cash game, so we'll put $6,000 on the field in cash this year.
Okay. Wow.
And 13 or 14 local schools will run for their share of the money. On top of if they've sold tickets, we're donating back to those schools too, so it's one of our favorite games. Yeah. It's also selling incredibly well because of the post-game laser show.
Oh, fun.
Yeah, so kids 12 and under are free with a purchase adult ticket in Snowdrift and Frostbite. The laser show has got a lot of attention.
Is that you?
And that is Tony, actually.
Okay,
Tony,
so layers appear to be key, Mr. Ebeling?
Yes, because I have the scars from 2 years ago. So
yeah, you can't wear short sleeves, right? Yeah, that's valuable space to stuff
I tried
stuff.
that, and that didn't work well.
No.
I love seeing this because it's like teachers like you've never seen them before, right, Tony?
Yeah, it's and again a lot of principals doing that, and this year I was able to transition to somebody new running in my place, but I was in their room yesterday and coaching up a little bit.
You want to give her a shout out?
Yeah, Jackie Kortasevich, and as soon as I told her, she's like, I'm in, and she has an outfit ready, and she is ready to go. So I gave her 1 day notice.
So what do funds like this mean for your school? How have you used them in the past?
So Ryan and I, we were just talking about that, and you know, this money is like that kind of that no question. We don't have to go through a lot of paperwork to do. It's like, all right, we want to do things for kids now, so we can just make it happen. So a lot of things that enhance the curriculum. So a lot of robotics this year, really working into that 3D printing, virtual reality. So like the 360 cameras and being able to let kids use those on trips and kind of build content rather than just use content. So,
sure, good.
Thanks.
Ryan, let's talk a little bit about the football itself, because while my kids love the extracurriculars, they also love watching the football.
Yeah, it's about as close as you can get to a football game. You're sitting from me to you to the players. The team is really good this year, so coming in 3-2. Most competitive football I've got to talk about with you in 5 years. And one of the cool things about Tony is a lot of people don't know. He actually played for us in the first year. The Blizzard were the Blizzard. So it's really special for us to go out to his school and have his school involved. But yeah, it is very family friendly, close to the action. You catch a ball, you keep it. And we expect some high scoring in your face football this weekend too. So on top of a packed crowd. So.
Wow, and you guys no strangers to giving back. Why is that so important to the team, especially to support youth in our community?
Yeah, so as an entity, the Blizzard is part of a family of companies. It's really important to us to engage locally here. It's just different, right? So we can get closer to the kids at the schools, be out there talking, read a book with them, and give back. To Tony said, it's not exactly easy raising funds sometimes for some of these extra projects. So however we can help, and this is one of our favorite games to do it. So.
Tony, you ready? Okay, you can walk off camera over there.
This is your retirement
We're gonna get your
dash.
money ready.
Well, yeah, this is literally my last one, but I'll just show you a little bit of
now
what,
your teacher's going to need to watch this, kind of like game film, to learn a few tricks.
Well, and the thing is, I have to be careful because I know a lot of people watch your show and some competitors.
Steal some strategy.
The thing I heard this year was, I mean, they're spreading this far across. It's not just going to be put. So I said, when you're standing back, you got to eye up the spot that has the most. Okay, and then there's echo effects. So when they're counting down from 3, 2, 1, you can't be afraid to leave.
Serious football here.
Yeah, so I'm going to be on the field right there coaching her up as we go. But if you want to count it down from
3,
2, 1.
2, 1, go!
We're going to be here, and then you come in and you do a big wide grab, and even a kick is move somebody out of the way if you've got to. And then a kick over here, and you bring it in, and you pull it in.
Speaking of Vic Tanny, where do you work out?
All right. Actually, at Experience Fitness.
There you go.
That's a nice plug.
GreenBayBlizzard.com for all the details.
Thanks so much, you guys. Thanks for all you
Thank
both
you.
do for the community.
Thank you very much.
All right. So will there be a blizzard this weekend? I don't think so. Not from the sky anyway. A meteorological one. Here's Jordan.